welcome back to my channel, y'all. I took everything out of the box already, and I'm about to get into this new release stuff. They've added so many cute little, I guess you could say, gifts, because this 10% off, I really needed it when I made this purchase, but I doubt I'm probably gonna make another purchase anytime soon because I spent a lot of money on this purchase right here. So let's just immediately jump right into this. Stop looking at me while I'm doing this because you're being weird. You're so irritated. So the first thing that I got on my list, you guys, are the expander discs. So I bought the gold expander disc, and I can't say that I'm a fan because they were like sticking and it was just weird. I know they begin like that, but it's annoying, and honestly these colors kind of look better to me. I'm probably still going to get the pink metal disc if anything, but these right here are bomb, y'all. Like, look at these colors. I'm obsessed. Like, this hot pink, I feel like is gonna go perfect with this new planner that I'm about to show y'all, Squad Goes. So yes, these are the expander discs. I'm not gonna open it yet, so you guys just get a glance, because when I set up the planner, I'm gonna let y'all see which ones I use, and I may be giving away 2 sets, so stay tuned for that. The next thing are these little sticker pads. Okay, so I seen this and I was kind of disappointed only because I didn't realize how small they were going to be, and it was kind of like I might not have gotten it if I had known that they were going to be this small, or I probably would have gotten more because they're so darn small. But I'm gonna give y'all a quick little flip through. Can you see? It's like this gold foil, kindness always, live in the sunshine. You got stay cool and keep dreaming. You have hello happiness and some little, like, I feel like this is just a bunch of like design stuff that you can put in your book, in your memory planner, or you can put it in your catch-all planner. It's a bunch of, this is the Brights sticker pad, and it fits the classic size. I mean, of course you guys can put these in the bigger planner, but hey, it's up to you. Do what you want. So this is the little sticker book. It's cute. I probably wouldn't have got it though. At least not right now, and not from the site, because you guys already know buying from the Happy Planner site is like a pain in the butt because it's full price, no coupon. So the next sticker book, y'all, you already know. The freaking Squad Goes. This book is bomb. Like, I seen it on Stephanie Fleming's YouTube channel, and I was like, yep. Yeah, it's mine, y'all. It's the mine, and I love it. Look at this. Oh my god, the pink. It's just, I think it's the pink that got me, and the fact that it's about to be spring and summer, and spring and summer is lit. So yeah, look at this. It's a watermelon, a lemon, a donut. This is just so cute. They really did that. Oh my gosh. Look at this. The color scheme is so beautiful, y'all. Look at that. Sunglasses, palm trees. And this is kind of seasonal, so it's gonna go with whatever season we're in. Oh, look at this. I'm ready for spring. I'm so ready for spring because this is like serving face all day. The flowers. I'm loving all this. So pretty. And the grass, like, okay. And then we getting into this fall with the fall colors. Yes. And the pumpkins, acorns, like they really, oh, do y'all see the girl? Okay, they wasn't playing. They wasn't playing. They wanted us to fall in love, and we did. Look at that. So you already know this is fall. And then boom, we go into winter with the blue and some pink and some peach. Yes. I'm loving it. I'm glad I got this sticker book. I am happy about this. that other sticker pad, that might be in a giveaway. So yeah, I'm feeling this squaggles. Yes, you guys already seen the alphabet book. This came with whoever made, I think it was a certain purchase or whatever, you got a free sticker book. You guys have already seen that. So getting into the sticky notepads, I got both of them because I have a brights planner and I have a pastel planner. So I know y'all hate the sound of the paper, but I wanted to give y'all my first reaction. So yeah, this is my first reaction. I haven't taken it out, and I suck at taking these things out. So yeah, boom, and it goes in the planner right there, just like that. And it's all these colors. Oh, y'all, I didn't even see this. This is so pretty. Like, and it's like the little sticky notes. Oh yeah, this was a great idea, y'all. I love it. I love it. I didn't even see those. Yes. So this is the brights. 40 sheets. I feel like I'm probably not gonna use all of them. I never do. We buy all these sticky notes and then like, we don't use all of them. And then we just end up giving them out. Right. So then here's the pastel. I am like, yes, yes, yes. Look at that. So, side note, I'm gonna stab him. Yes, I am, y'all. Big ideas. And then we got the pink. I kind of feel like the paper is a little thin. I guess that's just how they wanted to do that. It is kind of thin. I will say that. Write it down. I don't know. It feels a little thin, y'all. It does feel a little thin. And then you already know we got the little dashboard, sticky notes, notepads. I got the appointments and I got checklists. I wasn't sure on the faith because I don't have a faith planner yet. So until I get into that, that's just what that's gonna be. This is cute. I'm like, ooh, get it done. You got this today. Check it off. You guys know I'm always making like little half sheets and stuff on my Instagram account. So definitely look at that because I'm gonna have some sheets in. Yes. So we got doctor's appointment, you got regular appointment, what, with, and when. You have today, you gotta get it done, appointment time, appointments this week. Like, yes. They made sure they looked out for us, y'all. Then, of course, I had to get the paper. I'm always getting paper because I'm always writing on something. And I'm not about to take all these out because I always end up ripping the dang paper right here. This is where it happens, y'all. Right there. We gonna get it right though. Let's see, look. All right, boom. Y'all, look at the paper. Yes. Yes. So, I'm feeling like I'm gonna make an appointment sheet and then I'm gonna use this paper and I'm gonna show y'all what I'm gonna do with that because that's the PIY right there, okay? PIY right there. And last but not least, look at my mouth, y'all. This, I haven't opened it. I don't even know what it looks like on the inside for real, except from the video. You guys are about to get my first reaction, okay? I've already seen what the outside looks like and, ooh, yes. Hold on. Ew, I hate that little gooey spot, speck, whatever you call it. This year looks bright because, yes it does. They added some new stuff into the planner and honestly, this is so cute. I like that they did that. Stephanie, we totally like seeing you, okay? Totally. Welcome to the new Happy Planner. Starting a new planner is the perfect time to set goals and intentions that will help you plan a happy life and have fun while you're doing it. If you're new to the Happy Planner or just looking for some inspiration, we've got you covered. We have an active social media network filled with creative ideas to help you get started and stay motivated. You can find all of our account information on the back of this card. Happy planning, Stephanie. Oh, girl, yes. Stephanie, I love it. That is so cute. I'm glad that you guys added this little piece in there, because people that are new to the Happy Planner, they are so clueless as to what to do or where to even start, just like I was. But you guys had that blog and I went crazy. Boom. Hello, this Happy Planner belongs to Brooke. Plan a Happy Life. This is the 2018-2019 planner, and squaggles, y'all. Squaggles. I'm gonna just say squaggles. I think this was the page that I seen, and I was like, it's mine. It is mine. So they have a birthday section, monthly goals, the top events, what you're reading, planning, watching, eating, loving, feeling, listening, and celebrating. And it starts, all the 18-month planners, I think, start in July. So I'm not gonna go through each page, but I am gonna let you guys see what the pages look like in the beginning, and then we're just gonna go by the month. So we have the notes, and then we have top events, and then, yo, look at this. It's just like the pink and the blue. Yo, it's perfect. Perfect. Oh, and then the little waves. Okay, I gotta zoom in a little bit. I gotta let y'all see this. It's little waves on the bottom. Okay. Because it's about to be summer, right? In July. Yeah. Okay. So then you have top priorities, and then you have your notes. And that is how they did that section. And then there's some quotes on the bottom sometimes. You did not wake up today to be mediocre. Facts, okay? So that was July, and then August. Yes, I'm loving how they got this layout, y'all. Like, this planner, I don't even know what I'm gonna use this planner for right now. I got it because it looked good. I can't even lie. I have like 6 planners right now, and one of them are not even being used. So it's okay. I was enabled. Yes, I was. And this goes all the way into the next year. So really, I could take some of these out and start with it now if I wanted to. And honestly, I probably will. I feel like I am, because it's just so pink. I feel like it's me, and it's my birthday month, and this is just serving me right now. Like, yeah. Oh, look at that. Yes, blonde girl, I see you. I see you. Okay, and then we have May. Almost done. Almost done. And then, okay, back into summer. I love this. This is so cute. I'm glad I made this purchase. I am. And it's just a bunch of pink all throughout this. And I'm just like, yeah. Really cute. Really cute. So that's what the inside. And of course, they give you that one note page. I really don't understand the purpose of the one note page that is at the back of every agenda, planner, whatever. Why is this there? I'm not gonna write anything there. And it's all the way in the back, and it's only one page, but whatever. That is the 18-month swaggle. So this is everything that I got from the release. And there's a few things that wasn't online that I do still want to get, because they didn't have them up there, and it was kind of like, y'all did all that, and then y'all ain't gonna have everything, but it's cool. So this is everything that I got. So I just want to thank you guys for watching. If you want to see how I set up my squaggles planner and how I'm going to use these discs and a little bit of everything, you can follow me on Instagram, Planner Babe Brooke. I do a lot of stuff on my Instagram Live. I'm always doing something where you guys can be engaged, and I engage back with you guys. So just make sure you like and subscribe to my channel. See you guys.